Assalamu alaikum. Hi, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to start ungrouped data statistics. Okay. In the last video we covered mean, median, mode. I think we covered example number 1. Okay. And today basically the continuation of that video. Example number 2. Okay. Okay. This is the data, and I'm just asking the random things. Find the mean, median, mode. Mean, median, mode. Okay. First you have to find the mean. Just you have to add all the data value. Okay, -4 plus, again the value is negative, so you have to use the bracket. Okay, just you have to write like this because the negative sign is with the number, that's why. Okay, now count the data. How many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, now just simplify it. Plus, minus, -4 -5 -3 -1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 -8. Okay, divided by 9. Okay, just इसको आप सॉल्व कर लें. -2 -4 -5 -3 -1 -0, sorry, plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 and -8. You will get 22. -22 upon 9, just divide with 9, you will get -2.44. Okay, so this is the value of mean. Now for the median, just you have to arrange the data in the ascending order. So ascending order means first you have to write the smaller value and then you have to move towards the bigger values. Okay, तो पहले तो मुझे इसको क्या करना पड़ेगा, अरेंज करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो द जो भी वैल्यू माइनस की जितनी बड़ी होगी वो उतनी छोटी हो जाएगी. सो -8 इज द smallest value. After -8 you have to write -4, sorry, -5. Okay, -5 -4 and then -3 -2 -1 0 0 and 1 and 1. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, आपके पास ये रेंज हो गया. Now for median, just you have to find out what the middle position. Okay, for middle position, just first you have to use the formula, that is middle position n plus 1 divided by 2. So the value of n is 9 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, the answer is 10 upon 2. which is fifth. So position is fifth. So look, where is the fifth position? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the median is what? -2. Okay, so the median is -2. Okay, so this is the answer for the median. Now you have to find out the mod. For mod, just you have to uh, check the most repeated value. The most repeated value is 0 and 1. So the mod for this given data is 0 and 1. So this is the mod. Okay, ये जस्ट आपके पास क्या था, एक स्मॉल पार्ट था जो कि आपने अभी यहाँ पे कर लिया. ठीक है. ओके, जस्ट ये हमारे पास अनग्रुप डेटा का सेकंड एग्जाम्पल थी और एक लास्ट एग्जाम्पल है जो कि हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कवर करेंगे. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो, so don't forget to like it, share it and subscribe it.